3,000 people over there. 3,000 people.
Мы хотим воспитать нашу молодежь в тех традициях, сохранить наши обычаи, традиции, нашу религию и, конечно же, быть вместе и интегрироваться в это мировое сообщество. Мы на самом деле в последнее время обращаем свое внимание к исламскому миру, тем традициям, которые есть, тот положительный опыт. И здесь огромная роль АИС. Она на самом деле очень востребована. И господин Александр совсем недавно был. И то, что Россия с 2005 года является наблюдателем, дает нам такие возможности, которыми мы обязательно должны воспользоваться.
There are a lot of denominations in the Islamic world, so basically what we talked about is very crucial because we spoke about many of the things that we do in order to try and bridge those gaps that are there in the Muslim world. So for me, that was a very important topic.
The discussions and the resolutions, everything you had here, do you think it will be applied somehow?
Well, I'm hoping it, first and foremost, I'm hoping it will be applied in our heads. It will change somehow the mentality we're thinking, and it will encourage us to take next time we try to make a decision, any kind of life decision or political decision, we'll try to discuss it in a different way with different people.
I see a bright future if with such events happening, such camps happening, with the unification of everybody, solidarity between the youth, and with people like this camp helping us to develop our talents and to improve ourselves. I see a very bright future.
Their future is the most important issue that youth need to figure out. It's dark, somehow dark, but of course we keep hope. With the type of Islam that media is portraying, youth is kind of scared, yet pridefully sticks to its beliefs.
The nuclear in Iran is actually the very crucial problem in the Muslim world. It is actually because of US want to stop the nuclear in Iran. So we discussed how to solve this problem. And actually we are going to have a peaceful nuclear just for the purpose of the benefit of the people in the Iran.
Muslim халқында килде қаршында харам тұра. Muslim кішісіне харамнан құтылырға керек. Харамны узырға керек. Бірде қағылмасқа, бірде қарамасқа да, бірде ойламасқа оның турында. Чөнки үзеңне сакласаң гына син дөньяны саклай аласың.